excited because I participate in my first couple contest. My couple name is Shiny Girl. You meet my couple.
I would like to thank Sara English House Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today I am very excited because I'm gonna participate in my first couple contest. My couple name is Shiny Girl.
Once my friend invited me in Sara English House Academy. I came to Sara English House Academy. I met sir. I inquired to sir. He told me everything about inquiry. I got satisfied. Actually, my father does everything whatever my mom loves because they love each other. You tell me, does your parents love each other?
You know, they die for each. I salute their dedication and respect for each other.
Hi, this is Durga here. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Sara English House Academy for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. Today I am very excited because I participate in my first couple contest. My couple name is Shiny Girl. You meet my couple.
Hi, this is Priya here. I would like to thank Sara English House Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today I am very excited because I'm gonna participate in my first couple contest. My couple name is Shiny Girl.
Hi, good morning.
Hello, very good morning.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Well, I am also very fine. Thank you very much.
How's your mood?
As of yours.
How's everybody in your family?
Well, everybody is just fine in my family. And tell me about yours.
Everybody is just fine in my family too.
How's your life?
It's getting along fine.
You know, I get up early in the morning, but my mom also gets up early in the morning. But my father doesn't get up early in the morning. You tell me, does your father get up early in the morning?
Yes, my father gets up early in the morning. Wow, you know, he reads newspaper, but my mom doesn't read newspaper. You tell me, does your mom read newspaper?
No, my mom doesn't read newspaper, but she goes for morning walk daily. You tell me, does your mom go for morning walk daily?
No, my mom doesn't go for morning walk, but my father also goes for morning walk. You tell me, does your father go for morning walk?
No, my father doesn't go for morning walk, but he works out at home, and my mom does yoga. You tell me, does your mom do yoga?
Really good habit. And my mom also does yoga. But my father doesn't do yoga because he goes to office early. You tell me, does your father go to office early?
No, my father doesn't go to office early, but he helps my mom with domestic chores, and my mom helps my father in official chores. You tell me, does your mom help your father in official chores?
Wow, what a couple. And my mom also helps my father in official chores. And she goes to office also. And you know, my father prepared food for my mom. You tell me, does your father prepare food for your mom?
No, my father doesn't prepare food for my mom. Excuse me dear, can I ask some questions?
Of course, you can.
Please you tell me 12 positive sentences of tense. I wanna ask some questions.
Yes, of course.
I wanna ask subject, verb, object, period of times.
Yes, you can.
Subject, I, verb, visit, object, Taj Mahal, period of time, 2 hours.
I visit Taj Mahal. I am visiting Taj Mahal. I have visited Taj Mahal. I have been visiting Taj Mahal for 2 hours. I visited Taj Mahal. I was visiting Taj Mahal. I had visited Taj Mahal. I had been visiting Taj Mahal for 2 hours. I will visit Taj Mahal. I will be visiting Taj Mahal. I will have visited Taj Mahal. I will have been visiting Taj Mahal for 2 hours. Excuse me, dear. Can I ask also?
Yes, of course, dear.
You tell me 12 negative sentences of tense. Can I ask?
Of course.
I want to ask you subject, verb, object, period of time.
Of course.
Subject, Ram. Verb, speak. Object, English, period of time 2 hours.
Ram does not speak English. Ram is not speaking English. Ram has not spoken English. Ram has not been speaking English for 2 hours. Ram did not speak English. Ram was not speaking English. Ram had not spoken English. Ram had not been speaking English for 2 hours. Ram will not speak English. Ram will not be speaking English. Ram will not have spoken English. Ram will not have been speaking English for 2 hours.
Your English is very well. Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English in Sara English House Academy.
Excuse me, dear. Can I ask? You tell me Sara English House Academy joining experience.
Once my friend invited me in Sara English House Academy. I came to Sara English House Academy. I met sir. I inquired to sir. He told me everything about inquiry. I got satisfied and I paid money for registration. She gave me receipt. Then I got registered.
Wow, it sounds good.
You know, I learn English, but my sister doesn't learn English. You tell me, does your sister learn English?
No, my sister doesn't learn English, but she goes to school early. You tell me, does your sister go to school early?
No, my sister doesn't go to school early, but my brother also go to school early. You know, my father drive a car. You tell me, does your father drive a car?
No, my father doesn't drive a car, but he goes to office on foot. You tell me, does your father go to office on foot?
No, my father doesn't go to office on foot, but he drives a car. You know, my father cares my mom. You tell me, does your father care your mom?
Yes, my father cares my mom. You tell me, what can your father do for your mom?
Actually, my father does everything whatever my mom loves because they love each other. You tell me, does your parent love each other?
You know, they die for each. I salute their dedication and respect for each other. They are my idols.
Excuse me, dear. I have forgotten my pen. Could I have your pen, please?
Yes, here you are.
So nice of you.